Good evening, everyone. It is August 10th, 2017. We're doing a 2017 Allen and Ginter baseball break. 2-box break, number 8, random teams. So we do have this Mike Jaspy bounty going on. So I'm pretty sure only here with us at Jaspy's. We have a Mike Jaspy bounty. So there are total of 31 spots. All 30 MLB teams will be put in the randomizer, plus a non-sport, non-baseball spot. If we hit a Mike Jasperson autograph in this break, whoever has the non-sport, non-baseball spot will win $1,000 in break credit. So, there'll be 31 spots. Let's roll the dice. 5 and a 6. We're going to go 11 times now on the list of names and the teams. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Kevin, you're at the top, man. And Chris V, you're at the bottom. All right, let's open up a new list. Yeah. We can get both foil boxes in a break. I mean, it just depends if the generator actually generates the right boxes. All right, so 11 times now on the list of teams plus a non-sport, non-baseball spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. After 11 times, we got the Minnesota Twins are at the top and the Milwaukee Brewers are at the bottom. All right, so Kevin, you got the Twins. Donald, you have the Marlins. Edwin with the Royals. Brandon G with the non-sport other. There you go. C-Shep, you got the Cardinals. Ashley, you got the Phillies. Brian with the Diamondbacks. TJ, you got the Dodgers. Ashley with the Cubs and Mariners. Donald, you got the Oakland A's. Brandon with the Blue Jays. Mike with the Indians. C-Shep with the Angels. Nathan, you got the Cincinnati Reds. Ashley with the New York Mets. Nathan, you got the Nationals and the Pirates. Brandon, you have the Boston Red Sox. Kevin, you got the White Sox and the New York Yankees. C-Shep with the Colorado Rockies. Brian with the Rangers. Ashley got the Giants and the Tigers. Mike with the Astros. John, you have the Tampa Bay Rays. Colin with the Orioles. Mike with the Padres. Gary Last Ball Mojo with the Braves. And Chris V, you have the Milwaukee Brewers. All right, I'm going to quickly pause the video, see if there's any trades, and if not, we'll come back and open up 2 boxes of Allen and Ginter, so stick around. Welcome back, guys. No trades, so here is the list. Last Ball Mojo was Gary with the Atlanta Braves. All right, so just show you guys right here. We have some boxes remaining. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, and 12 available. So what we're going to do here is we're going to random generate 2 boxes for this break. This is a 2-box break. And let's generate 2 boxes, starting with box 8. That is not available. So let's generate that again. 6 is available. So let's generate that. And here's box 6. Right there. Let's go one more. 12 is available. So 6 and 12 for this break. Booyah. Alright, guys, good luck. Oversized top loader or box topper. Alright, guys. And we got a relic right away out of the first pack. Ryan Braun, Milwaukee Brewers. Milwaukee Brewers going to Chris V. There we got a mini. We'll check these minis at the end of the box and see if there's any numbered. We get 3 hits a box. Let's pull out that menu right now. Machado. Okay, a little taller. Fraser mini. Desmond mini. Wow, we got a rip card. Look at that. Nolan Ryan, 47 of 60.
Rip the rip?
I know, right?
Rip
Rip card.
Got rip the rip card?
Going to the Texas Rangers and Brian. There you go, man. Didn't we just talk about the jersey thing earlier? Glad you got a spot on a break, man. Like I said, hits come around and go around. There you go. Reigns. Kelly. Got a Pollock. And we got a Rediscover Tops. Kirby Puckett. Stephen A. Smith mini. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how much they're going for, to be honest. But if you want to send us an email, you can always insure it, just in case. Rediscover Tops. Send us an email if you would like to. Gordon. Rediscover Tops. Yu Darvish. Oh, did I miss an Aaron Judge rookie? No. Benintendi rookie. Gardner mini. Santana. Whoop. Just a Bartolo Colon. Who's the GOAT? Oh, Jared's rookie. There we go. Yankees. It's going to Kevin Z. It's probably about $10, $15, if not more. But definitely, if you can rip it. I mean, there's supposed to be Aaron Judge mini rookie autographs in there, so. If it's a rip card out of 60, I mean, I always rather just rip it because I would hate to sell it and then a huge rip card comes out. But oh, here's one of those glow-in-the-dark cards. I forget what they're called. But that'll go to the non-baseball spot. They're glow-in-the-dark. You know, if it's one of those rip cards that are like out of 5 double rips, those are the ones usually I end up selling because I think those go for a lot more. But you can always rip the card and just sell it ripped. Sometimes you can still get some good money for it. Just make sure that the rip isn't too crazy. Yeah, I think that's the base ones, right? I think those are out of 60. I think the base are out of 60. Then you have like lower numbered ones. I know the double rips are out of 5 or out of 10. But yeah, you would think that these players are like Hall of Famers and stuff. Wouldn't be too low. Rediscover tops. I know, right? Let us all see it. And there you go, Gary Sanchez. Nice pinstripe, 2-color relic for the New York Yankees. It's going to Kevin. All right, 2 more packs, and then you can go into the next box. Martinez mini. All right, last pack, and then we'll go into box number 2. All right, let's just make sure and check these minis out. Make sure there are any hand numbers. Alright. So the minis obviously will ship, and any inserts, short prints, numbered cards, and hits. All right, so these are the 3 first hits, including the Judge rookie. Nice first box. Let's go to box 2, but let's first rip open this box topper. And we got a Dansby Swanson. Nice. Atlanta Braves. Atlanta Braves, that's going to Last Ball Mojo, Gary. Next box. Are you sure, Brian? Let me make sure too. I'll go ask Joe. I don't know if he's ever ripped somebody's rip card before, but I just want to make sure that it's okay for us to do that. And if by you just telling me in the chat means it is okay. Obviously, I trust you, man, but you know, don't be peer pressured into doing it if you don't want to. Obviously, these guys just want to see a rip card, but. Yeah, man, if you really want me to, I mean, how can I say no, right? I'm pretty sure Joe's done it. And we got a relic. El Tatin. Adrian Gonzalez. LA Dodgers. That's going to TJ. Musician dude. Old door mini. No, I think he's just saying that if we open it up and you know, if it's a different team, he doesn't want it to like not go to him still. But I'll make sure it goes to you, man. Yeah, of course. No, if you really want me to rip it out, I attach a sticky note and I put it in a team bag right away, and it won't ever go anywhere else. Won't ever go anywhere else. But let me know, Brian. And if you can right now while we're still breaking, just send an email and just say hey at jaspyshobbyland@gmail.com. Just say hey, I just want to let you guys know that I allowed Jason to do my rip card, just in case, you know. That way we have something on document that you said yes. Oh, we got an autograph. Look at that. Ian Happ. I was about to skip this. Ian Happ, Chicago Cubs autograph. Look at that. Nice. Chicago Cubs. That's going to Ashley Nelson. Nice. I mean, I'm going to record it. It's going to be part of this video, so regardless. It's going to be live and in this video. That's a cool card right there. Rediscover Topps. Yeah, if you guys want to work on that optic, still plenty of time. Let's start working on it now. Jake Lamb. But if I rip it, you guys are going to make fun of me if I don't rip it good. A lot of pressure on me. No, I'm just kidding. Johan Moncada rookie for Chicago. Pilot Dude. Hendricks Mini. Rediscover Topps. Renfro rookie. Sano Mini. Just depends if it is within the time frame. Usually, I think Upper Deck allows up to 1 year. Then you can still redeem it. I know Panini still honors it or gives you something still for the redemption, but you'd have to email Upper Deck or call them. Trumbo. Shields. Alright, man, cool. Thanks, man. Well, I guess we'll rip the rip card once we finish this box break right here. Ooh, exciting. Udi doesn't give it a year anymore? Damn. I didn't know that. Force Light. Wow, another Aaron Judge rookie. Nice. 2 Aaron Judge rookies in this break. So there you go. Kevin. Second Aaron Judge rookie. Dabber, what's going on? Yeah, man, no problem. Thanks for getting spots in the break. Oh, of course, yes, it's yours, Brian. I'm gonna try to rip it as clear as as clean as possible, so that way you can still try to sell the rip card alone. Got 2 minis in there. Because you can still sell the rip card ripped. You can still get some decent money for it. I'm gonna try my best to rip it decent, so the card is not too damaged. I've only done it like once though, so if you're still willing for me to still do it, maybe I'll get Joe in here to help me. Don't want to damage it too much. Egyptian dude. What is that? Willie Mota. Rediscover Topps. And we got a Justin Verlander relic for Detroit Tigers. Going to Ashley Nelson. I know it's not hard, but if I don't rip it hard enough, then I have to like start from the bottom, and it's too much pressure. I'm just kidding. All right, a couple more packs. Then we got the top loader or box loader, and then we'll do that rip card. All right, well, like I'm saying, you can still sell the rip card ripped though. Trust me. If you look online, they still sell for about $20 to $30. So, I mean, people still collect it even though it's ripped. Here's another one of those glow-in-the-dark cards. All right, last pack, and then the oversized box loader. Latch rookie, and that is that. So let's rip open this oversized box topper. And we got for the Yankees, nice Derek Jeter. Nice break for the Yankees. 2 Aaron Judge rookies. So there you go, Kevin. Also get yourself a box topper card. Alright. Let's put this away. And now let's rip open that rip card. Alright. Let me make sure and see any of these. These aren't numbered. Sometimes these are hand numbered. Alright, no numbered cards here. So here are the last hits for this box. And here we go, guys. So, let me check really quick. Did you email 10-buck breaks, or did you email Jaspy's Hockey Land or 10-buck breaks? Oh, there it is. I got it. Cool. All right. Hold on, guys. Let me go get this. I have been blessed to rip this rip card live and on camera.
Oh, you're going to do it? Well, hang on, folks. Here, first off, Jason Jaspy just got a rip card from the 10
All right.
channel.
Ready, Brian? We're about to rip Brian's rip card that he acquired right on this break. Had the Texas Rangers and got a Nolan Ryan rip card. That
He's
is
ripping the rip
47 of 60. There you go. Oh, there's a lot of pressure. I got to try to keep it as clean as possible.
What's it number 2?
These are all out of 60. So it's
Ooh, okay.
47
You got to
to
rip
60.
that one.
That's for sure.
Right?
All right.
I did a video for the first rip card I've ever ripped, like 2 years ago. It was
It's
terrible.
I mean,
it was a bad.
it's-
If you guys want to see something funny, go search Joe's first rip card, like from 2015 Ginter. It was pretty bad. See, sometimes they don't do that right.
Yeah.
I think once you get the strip right, it should be fine. What an exciting. Who is this for?
Brian.
Brian who? Oh, DeGruchy?
Yeah, the Gruchy or DeGruchy.
DeGrush, 22.
All right, I don't know if I messed this up. It's like a Band-Aid, just rip it. I don't want to damage it too much.
I hope it's pronounced DeGrush. I hope he played sports too, and everyone would be like, Grush, Grush.
This looks like a big card. Doesn't look like a mini. I don't have nails no more.
I know. It's tough. Yeah, these are tough. These aren't easy.
There we go.
Grush.
What is
Good luck,
this?
man. Is it bigger than a mini? It seems
Yeah,
like
looks
it,
like
right?
it's bigger than a mini.
That's just a piece of paper. We can just slide that out of the
We
way.
got Gary Sanchez.
And these are all short printed too, right?
And a short print mini of Gary
Yeah,
Sanchez.
nice, Gary Sanchez.
So there you go. These are short printed. I think most of these go for around
They do.
$30 to $50.
That's not bad.
So still not bad. So
Hey,
I'll put the
$10
rip
break,
put the
solid.
rip card back in there. You can still sell the rip card too. And there you go. That's a short print
Awesome.
mini of Gary Sanchez for the Yankees.
Grush.
So put that in there. And there you go, guys. That was Allen and Ginter, random teams number 8. Number 9 will be in the store right after this. $10 breaks. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.